Presenting Bobst Nova SSX 550 laminator. The best-in-class solution for versatile and cost-effective flexible packaging lamination. This solventless laminator is the ideal production tool when true flexibility is needed and converters are required to deliver an endless variety of job applications with rapid turnaround and high-quality results. This small machine will increase the user's competitive edge with cost-effective, reliable and sustainable operation. The one-touch, error-free, patented onboard automatic washing system makes operation quick and simple and incredibly effective. The cycle is complete in under 5 minutes, time that can be adjusted by the operator and requires less cleaning solution than alternative methods, making this patented solution a greener way to clean. Fast job repeatability, time saving and waste reduction is possible with the Bobst exclusive automatic reel centering technology with linear encoder. The laminating and coating station is equipped with high-efficiency fumes exhaust and 2 small-dimension fans. This unique Bobst solution significantly reduces operation noise and vibrations, meaning less risk of dust contamination. Motorized driven rollers of the coating station provide a high-speed setting range from 30 to 120%, significantly increasing flexibility and coating weight range. Transfer rollers can be either sleeve or integral to suit everyone's requirements and offer full compatibility with other manufacturers' rollers. Bobst Mix offers more effective mixing control with heated pipes refilling the coating unit. The solution is even more reliable as the adhesive quantity inside the drums is measured by load cells, providing higher quality laminating with less risk of mix ratio error. The Nova SSX 550 laminator stands out from the crowd thanks to its robust and unique 3-column design with easy access to all areas for maintenance and cleaning. High uptime is a guarantee on the Nova SSX 550 laminator. Job changeovers can be completed within 15 minutes, the full cleaning cycle in under 5 minutes, and the extremely fast sleeve transfer roller change in less than 60 seconds. With the operator's safety in mind, the machine is designed with the latest protection devices to ensure safe operation. And the electro-galvanized coating unit makes for easy cleaning. Data collection and connectivity features allow full production and quality control, as well as the benefits derived from the Bobst remote services. The Nova SSX 550 laminator is characterized by its accessible, safe design and the host of integrated technologies and equipment in the base configuration. And what's more, it is truly a plug-and-play solution that can be up and running in just 1 week from delivery. If you'd like to see for yourselves this compact, solventless laminator in action, visit our Competence Centre. The Bobst Nova SSX 550 laminator. Flexible and cost-effective production.